Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Put on gloves and goggles, then open the hood and remove any loose corrosion with a dry brush. Once done, use a wrench to loosen the negative terminal clamp first, then the positive. This prevents shorting. Place the cables away from terminals so they won't fall back. Mix a teaspoon baking soda in 1 cup water if you lack a commercial cleaner. You'll use it next to neutralize acid before deeper cleaning. Now you tackle the stubborn buildup. Apply the battery terminal cleaner or your baking soda paste directly to the terminals and cable ends. Let it work for 1 to 2 minutes so the acid residues neutralize. Scrub firmly with a wire brush until you see shiny metal. This ensures a reliable electrical connection. Once cleaned, rinse the area with a small amount of water and immediately dry everything with a clean rag. Moisture left behind can cause new corrosion, so make sure it's bone dry. Finish by reattaching the clamps. Connect positive first, then negative, and tighten snugly, but don't crush the terminal. Once connected, coat the terminals with a thin layer of dielectric grease or a terminal protector spray to slow future corrosion. Start the engine and watch electrical systems for proper operation for 10 to 15 minutes. If the engine cranks slowly or lights flicker, make sure clamps are tight and clean. If problems persist, test battery voltage. Low readings indicate a failing battery rather than just corrosion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.